Assalamu alaikum. Here is Roshni with CRD News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines: COAS discuss regional security in meeting with senior UK general. UK's Commander Strategic Command General Sir Patrick Nicholas Yardley Monrod Sanders called on Chief of Army Staff General Qamar Javed Bajwa at the Journal headquarters. Rupee strengthens against US dollar. The Pakistani rupee strengthened by 46 paisa against the United States dollar in the interbank currency market. Dubai underlined competitiveness as one of the safest cities in the world. Dubai managed to place itself within the top 10 or 20 cities globally in more than 100 indicators related to safety and security in several internationally renowned competitiveness reports. Schools to remain closed in Punjab KPK district till 11th April. Amid a spike in COVID-19 infection, Education Minister Shafqat Mahmood announced that educational institutions will remain closed in virus hotspot of Punjab and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Azad Kashmir till 11th April. Balochistan decides against closing educational institutions. Balochistan has decided against closing the schools and other educational institutions. Health team administers COVID vaccine to Sindh Assembly members. A team of Sindh Health Department administered COVID-19 vaccine to 10 members of Sindh Assembly above 60 years of age. This is the end of today's news. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.